Later on, I'll be doing a more detailed video on what it takes to do good street photography. But for now, here's a sample of some photos I took on a pre-coronavirus trip to Italy. All I had was my Sony camera and one lens. And let me know in the comments below if you think I got at least one good photo from that trip. Concerned about catching or spreading a virus? Here's something I learned when I was 8 years old. Just stay away from others. Simple.